Santa Barbara has so many great local eateries. Let's go try one. Welcome back to Living Local, and I'm here with Matias Requena, and we're at Buena Onda. Buena Onda is the good vibes. And you have had this establishment for a couple years now.
Yeah, we've been doing empanadas for the past 3.5 years, and keep on making them.
And if you have not tried empanadas or don't know what empanadas are, they are heaven. Okay, so the empanadas actually started out in ancient times, and empanadas, I understand, came and are similar to the Indian samosa, but different, right?
Yeah, I think there's many forms of them throughout the world, but it happens to be that Argentina is known for really good empanadas.
Really good empanadas. They've been doing them since the 16th century, and Argentinians have perfected them, and that's where you're from.
Yeah, born and raised in Mar del Plata, Argentina, and we just had good family recipes. So.
And empanadas are kind of like pizza in Argentina, right?
Yeah, it's like probably the number one, maybe number two food after barbecue is asado. So yeah.
And so you grew up learning how to make them and eat them all the time.
Yeah, I grew up. It's like the thing that every time you go to a party, you're gonna find empanadas. Maybe as a starter, maybe as the main. But yeah, it's like a party food. It's super easy to eat, like handheld. They're really tasty, and you have a lot of flavors to go with. So,
and it's exciting because Buena Onda delivers. They've got a store now on State Street that we're going to take you to, but they also can cater your party, so they can come to you, which is exciting.
Yeah, mobile wood fired oven. We do plenty of lots of events. Whether it's like wedding, corporate. So yeah.
And then you can order them to go at the store.
On Haley, yes.
Yes. And so we're going to take a look around the kitchen and check things out. It's a little loud in here because there's lots of machines and things going on. But this is real by hand. This is not machine, is it?
No, this is, the process is to see.
So what are these? So tell me about the process.
So today is a dough day. So this is the first part of the process. This is where we stretch the dough. This machine basically can get it from this thickness, which is about 1.5 inches, to a couple millimeters, and then after you go a couple times through the machine back and forth, this roller collects the dough, as you can see, automatically. Stretch out the dough. We set it on this wooden table, baker's table, and now we layer it a couple times. As you see in the roller, it's quite long, so we just layer it. The final step of the dough process, which is where the ladies here, as you see, they take the dough that was collected and put papers in between so they don't stick.
And this is all done by hand here.
Yeah.
This is a really labor-intensive process.
It's very labor-intensive. Empanadas are very labor-intensive, but the way we do it, we prefer to employ local. And
isn't that great?
Yeah.
These are the goodies that go inside, right?
Yeah, so these are the fresh made fillings. This is the last part of the empanada process. We're going to see Maria closing each empanada, and at this moment it's just a hand press.
Okay, so she puts all of these in by hand.
Yeah, so the same dough we were looking at it earlier. She puts it on the tapa, we call it, on the machine, on this hand press, puts the fillings, and then by hand closes it, and then you see that.
I always wondered. Now I thought those were made with a spoon by hand like this, so I'm glad to see that there is a press.
Yeah, I mean there used to be. That was the original way. Yeah.
Right? That's how you learned as a kid.
Or by hand, actually. You would close it by hand. Pinch.
Well, guess what, Santa Barbara? You can get them right here, and they're already done thanks to me.
You can see this is the final step of the empanada process. And here's these are the ones that we did with the press, and these are the ones that they hand finish on top.
Come down to Buena Onda and let's see them at the store. I want to try some. Thank you so much for bringing empanadas to Santa Barbara because they really are delicious.
Yeah, thank you. And let's introduce our neighbors, Gabriel's Woodworking, right around the street.
Ooh, I want to go meet the woodworkers. Let's go.
Let's go.
Where are we headed right now?
So we're walking over to my neighbors and good friends, Gabriel, and he's a woodworker. We love to support local business. Hey guys, how's it going?
Hello, nice to see you, Gabriel. I know Gabriel too, and this is exciting because I have known both of these gentlemen for a couple years, and it's really fun to see the different careers you guys have had, because Matias started out and he was filming drones and doing a video, and you used to make apps, didn't you? Computer apps.
I used to make computer apps.
Yeah, iPhone apps.
iPhone app, and now you do woodworking. I remember you went up to Washington.
Yeah, a little bit of a 180. Yeah.
Yeah, working with your hands.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I did a 12-week woodworking course in Washington State, Port Townsend, and now here I am doing this for a living. So.
Oh, this is exciting. Well, we're going to come back and come visit you if you don't mind.
Yeah, come on by anytime.
We will. So stay tuned. Living local.
Hey Gail, I'm getting hungry. Let's try some empanadas.
But before we go in, this really is a family-run business, isn't it?
Yeah, this is actually my wife and I. We started Mosaic with draftsmen, hook and press, juice wrench. So there's 4 of us under one roof.
And people that watch Living Local know the Juice Ranch. You might not know Draftsman yet. And Draftsman has great beer, and they're also a location out in Kvistad, right?
Right, yeah, they started in Kvistad, and now we have this State Street shared location.
Well, let's go have some empanadas.
Let's go.
Smells delicious. Cheers.